guys, it's Liz again here with your weekly debrief of all the major happenings in the crypto space. This week is huge. Bitcoin recovered from the 2019 dip and reached an all-time high, and Ethereum recrosses the 4K mark and also briefly reached an all-time high. We're definitely in a bull market now. Anyway, let's dive right in. First off, the SEC has approved the first ever Bitcoin ETF. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF is now live on the New York Stock Exchange. The ticker is BITO, that's B-I-T-O, and it jumped by 4.8% on the closing bell on trading day 1. This is probably the catalyst that brought Bitcoin to its all-time high. The fund tracks CME Bitcoin futures or contracts speculating on the future price of Bitcoin rather than the crypto itself. That means investors in the ETF should expect the price and performance of the shares to differ from the price of Bitcoin itself. This isn't ideal, but it's a start. Next up, JJ Lin is now an owner of BAYC. The highly coveted profile pic NFT Bored Ape Yacht Club can now count pop star JJ Lin as a holder. The most expensive BAYC sold for $2.7 million just 2 days ago. Facebook is going big in the metaverse. Facebook announced that it is hiring 10,000 positions in Europe to build a metaverse. It has also further announced a $50 million investment to ensure that said meta world is built responsibly. Facebook has also announced the appointment of Coinbase as its custody partner for their coming digital wallet. The mega whales be coming. Speaking of the metaverse, the inaugural Metaverse Festival began yesterday on Decentraland with performers like deadmau5 and Paris Hilton slated to perform. The festival welcomes more than 80 artists and 5 stages. Now, I'm not sure if digital festivals are for me, but with giants like Facebook and Oculus coming on board the universe of metaverses, the future of festivals is going to be super exciting. I had 3 hours of sleep. Terra goes multi-chain. The wormhole token bridge now supports the Terra ecosystem. Great news if you're a lunatic, as this means that transfers of UST and Luna between Terra, Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Chain via Wormhole's cross-chain bridge are now available. This is very bullish news, making it very possible for UST to become the first ever decentralized cash to succeed. Oh, by the way, if you find the crypto world a little too testosterone heavy, Mariah Carey is partnering with trading platform Gemini to encourage more women to get into crypto investing. It's about time! Closer to home, if home for you is Singapore, our team wrote a piece on our very own Ethereum competitor, Zilliqa. Do have a read on what they do, some of their notable partnerships, and what's possibly next for them. Next up, Singapore sovereign wealth fund Temasek took part in the latest round of funding for FTX. The exchange raised $420,690,000. FTX is one of the leading exchanges that fellow Singaporeans flock to after MAS's latest restriction on Binance.com. This round of investments value FTX at a yummy $25 billion. Okay. With a possible bull run coming, Twitter user Ross Monk offers a few tips on how not to fuck it up. If, like me, the sheer amount of projects and price actions throw you off, this is a good read. Remember, don't chase the highs. The flavor of the day is already stale. And that's it for me on this episode of the Weekly Debrief. If this was helpful, please give us a sub and a thumbs up. The links to everything I shared can be found in the description box. Make sure to join our Chain Debrief community on Telegram to share insights, ask questions, and share project drops. Or you can learn more on chaindebrief.com. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!